In a departure from all the other challenges, our judges do not taste the two contestants' dishes, leaving Dino and Diane completely bemused.
When it's finished, what happens when the plate walks away?
I have no clue of where they're taking the plate. It was really nerve-wracking. We don't know what to think. We don't know where they're going.
What's that?
For the competition's penultimate challenge, our judges have decided to raise the stakes sky high. They selected 10 of the most respected executive chefs from some of the biggest hotels and culinary academies in the land to appraise our two finalists' dishes. The elite judging panel have no idea who cooked the dishes. They're about to
pork, wine, and truffle juice, and it has Brussels sprouts and baby carrots sauteed for the bit.
Beef Wellington. Maybe the sauce you can add some butter for the piece of it.
Chef?
It's the biggest main restaurant, it's a very dangerous one. But it's the more the same way every day, so we must try to do sauce. First of all, the texture of the beef is excellent. Presentation is good. Only thing, the sauce should be more. There's not enough salt, yeah, that's all. I would suggest that the pastry should be more crispy, more flaky. And to do this, maybe a pancake in between the dessert and the pastry.
喺入邊講咗戲㗎啦。
It's a pancake salmon with a cauliflower saffron puree, tarragon food, and the sauce is actually a loose white chocolate wasabi cream sauce. Chef?
The beef, I like sauce. The sauce very creamy, very suitable for seafood. The doneness of the beef is just nice.
For the salmon is very nice, and tarragon sauce.
Very good combination, very refreshing.
Years of culinary instincts and experience begin to show.
It is cooked by women.
Why would you say that?
Feeling that it's cooked by women. The family, the man.
Why do you think the salmon is cooked by a man, chef?
Because two liver and the president who like very liver, it should be certainly the man because it's more complicated. This one is more complicated on the half rolling, something the mushroom that's rolled half. Then there's the cabbage. So I think this one should be the lady.
Chef, which of these two dishes do you like the most?
I prefer the salmon.
For my side, my religion is very nice. I like salmon, but the taste is very nice. Okay, good.
Chef, Diane, you know? Please follow me. Diane, do you know?
Enter this room, chef, oh my God, where are we? Who are these people?
Here we have today the Queen of the Professional Chefs Association of Penang. We are honored to have them here. We are lucky to have them here. And they've been tasting your food.
And then we found out soon enough that, yeah, it was actually a whole panel of judges, elite chefs that were criticizing your food.
After tasting your dishes, I want you guys to listen up to what they have to say.
The beef Wellington. You need more sauce on the dish, and the taste is very good.
Okay. Chef, the fish cooked very well. Okay. Only thing to improve is penetrate the skin is very crispy. It's the way you place it on the bottom, it becomes soggy. But anyway, well done.
Presentation and the texture of the salmon is good. Only thing need to improve on the portion of the vegetable.
Okay, so there's not enough vegetables, not enough color on it, not enough color as well. Okay.
This presentation, nice. But for the veggie, this we can cut half. May I know who cooked this dish? Right. So this must be done by you.
Chefs, thank you very much for coming today. It's been an absolute honor. Diane and Dino, I'll see you back in the kitchen. Thank you very much, Chef.
Stunned and humbled by the experience.